What is up, guys, and welcome back to Whitley Auto Works. Today, as you guys probably know, I'm still in the process of painting the shop truck, but I had a buddy of mine bring me a rather unusual set of items that he wanted me to paint. So without further ado, I'm going to show you, and we're going to get into what today's video is all about. So let's get into it. So these bad boys behind me are a set of 22-inch wheels, and he wants them painted gloss black. So I'm going to kind of give you the rundown, the game plan, how we're going to tackle this, and we're going to get into it. So he doesn't want the whole wheel, just the faces painted gloss black. So basically all this area right here with the little fake rivets and stuff like that, that's going gloss black. The lips are going to stay chrome. We're going to clean them up really good beforehand, tape them up, scuff them down, hit them with some etch primer, and get to spraying them. So I'm going to set you guys up, and let's get to cleaning and taping. Alright guys, so we got it all taped up. It's about an hour later. It took me a little while to get it done. That's probably the most tedious, hardest part of this whole process, and to each their own. Do your own design however you want to do it, but this is just kind of the steps I'm taking. Red Scotch-Brite, that's going to be the next step. We're going to scuff the chrome up really good with this. You don't want to scuff it up too heavy because it is a coating, so you just basically want to get some really good scuffs in it. Then we're going to hit it with some etch primer, and then we're going to clean it again with some of this isopropyl alcohol. You can use Prep-All, you can use all kinds of degreasers or whatever you want to use. The big thing is get it scuffed, get it clean, and yeah, then we'll move on to primer. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got everything taped up, scuffed up, cleaned really good with isopropyl alcohol yet again, and now we're ready for etch primer. Now some people like to use epoxy primer. I use etch primer. It works about the same. You're going to have a debate on it, but it is what it is. Etch primer's got acids in it, so it kind of eats in and gives everything a mechanical bond and a chemical bond. That's why I tend to use it on stuff like this. And also, these wheels are pitted and stuff like that from years of abuse. These are some older wheels, so I'm not that worried about it. So either way, we're going to hit it with some etch primer. I'm going to put my mask on, and then the cool thing about it is we let this settle out for about 10-20 minutes, and then we can go straight into base coat. So let's get started. Alright guys, so it's about 20 minutes later. I've got this high gloss black Rustoleum 2X paint primer 1 I'm going to be using on these wheels. We're going to base these with about 3 coats. You don't have to go super heavy. So let's get into it. Alright guys, and that's the wheels. I talked with the owner. He decided he didn't want to clear coat it. He liked the kind of semi-gloss look, and these should hold up just fine. All in all, it's a pretty simple process. If you did want to go back and clear coat them, all you would do is just go back, scuff them back up with the red Scotch-Brite, clean them real good. If you wanted to paint the chrome lips, you would just add adhesion promoter and let that tack off. I prefer Bulldog. It's a really good adhesion promoter, or etch primer or epoxy primer if you're planning on painting them. And yeah, you could tint clear. There's all kinds of stuff you could do, but yeah, that's pretty much the process. It's pretty simple. Just take your time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And make this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps out tremendously. We are painting a truck right now. We're going to have that done soon, and that'll be a cool reveal. And whole kinds of spray outs, all kinds of stuff coming, guys. You're not going to want to miss. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. What is up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video for today. I know I didn't upload this weekend, which was really weird for me because I've been putting out videos every 2 or 3 days here lately. But we just had a lot going on with the truck paint job and, you know, Christmas time. So been doing some stuff with the family. But we have tons coming. I just got the truck cleared today. So we'll be doing the reveal on that very, very soon. And I'm really excited to show it to you guys. It's changed a lot from old white beat up truck with a missing quarter panel or whatever. But yeah. It's pretty cool, and I got a charger that somebody had got sideswiped on. That's going to be a big project coming up. It's going to need new bumpers, a full paint job, a lot of body work, and yeah, so stay tuned. Probably throw that on the channel. We'll see. And of course, spray outs and everything else. Man, we just got a lot coming, but it's the holidays right now, so episodes are going to be all over the place. But appreciate you guys for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Leave me a comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.